Hi guys! Currently, we are here na sa bahay ni Anday. We're in yung bahay ng kaibigan ko. So, dito yan sa Tabog guys. Medyo late ako kasi yung call time naman 5 PM. Pero since VIP yung kaibigan niyo, then definitely I go here 8:45 na.
Honestly, I'm a bit disappointed to my fan, Adsman Jamil, and it is because ang tagal niya, it took him more than 1 hour to be here. So it's just a waste of time. We all know that time is very precious and cold to us. So don't do it next time. It's just not your first time, but many times.
Pero kahit na VIP kasi ako.
Ano?
VIP! Papunta kami ng rooftop ngayon dito sa bahay ni Anday. Kasi check namin yung location. Kasi according to plan, dito kami sa taas. Dito sa may rooftop. Matutulog. As you can see, my background is the Boulevard one. Super nice. Tapos yung Malamawi Island. OMG, this is so amazing.
It's very cold and this is something that I prepare, but the atmosphere is giving and the weather also. So we are hoping na hindi siya uulan mamaya so we could enjoy our overnight.
Hindi pa namin guys nalalagyan ng ilaw dito kasi usually lalagyan naman siguro to ng ilaw if di kami tatama rin. Tapos we're just going to place yung sinasabi nilang tent kasi actually merong dalawang tent na siguro nakatambak lang doon sa may storage room nila. And then we're going to use that tent. Dalawa kasi yun eh. Isa dito, isa dito. Siguro pwede na din yun. O maybe okay naman din siguro ang weather. Tsaka kahit maulanan okay na din siguro as long as di naman tayo mababasa sa loob. And we are safe kasi nasa rooftop tayo. Dito tayo mag-overnight sa rooftop nito.
So guys, ako na naman ngayon ang magluluto. So ipapasok namin sa vlog ni Adsman ang aking spaghetti may goring. And also the Junay. Yung Junay available po siya sa school for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So if you wish to order on my delicacies rather, you may contact me. My Facebook name is Benny. I have also TikTok, Benny122. And use a Gmail, bensadisariasan@gmail.com. And I'm single.
So, ayan guys, tinatrapo na nila yung yung floor kasi gagamitin namin to later
It's
on.
literally wet as you can see, so we need to wipe for it.
So, as you can see, we are currently preparing na bina-wipe na namin ang floor kasi basa siya kasi umulan kaninang hapon. But then guys, we're going to use this floor. This place actually for our overnight journey. So anyway, may dalawang tent kami. Siguro tambak lang dun sa my storage room. And then we're going to get that one. Dalawa yun kasi good for 2 ang isa. Good for 2 na naman ang isa. We're going to place it here. That the weather is not that healthy. Pero I think kaya din naman to eh. Kaya naman.
Malnourished siya. May hepa be.
But
Yeah.
anyway guys,
Kailangan niya pa
kasi-
muna kumain ng mga rich in carbohydrates.
Kailangan natin guys mag-think ng positive. Kahit whatever happens, kahit mabasa pa kami ng ulan dito, okay lang yun as long as we can make the vlog for memories. It's not just about journey of overnight namin dito sa sa bahay ni Andeng. As this is also for vlog for memories. So at least kahit nasa Saudi na kami, kahit nasa UK na yung isa, or
We have something
wherever na
that
kami.
worth to remember.
Oh, that is something worth it to remember. So, yun na nga guys. Thank you so much. So, stay tuned.
Ilang niya ko Neng para masala ka na. So guys, kapag uulan nga to, this is very hilarious and very awkward for us. But then, it is very memorable for us para matandaan namin ang bonding. It's very so sad to hear na wala talaga si Marwina. Marwina is the second eldest in our friendship. I'm truly yours is the one. Second Marwina to be followed by Dar. And then, and the baby Adsman Jamil. So Marwina currently is postpartum siya within a week. She's taking care of her daughter and we are praying for her fast recovery as well as yung healthy dapat yung baby niya. And yeah, so see you soon Mar and we love you. And to the fans of Adsman Jamil, we love you too. Darwisa is not on her mood. She has a mood swing at this night and we do understand on her part. So in behalf of her, I would like to share to you guys that please i-understand niyo na lang siya. Nag-away kasi sila ni Juan ng kapitbahay nila. So nangutang siya. Hindi siya nagbayad ng 2 buwan. Kaya tinapon yung tsinelas niya. Bago lang yan, nag-sale yung 38 pesos sa shop. Kaya ang hirap talagang bitawan. Tingnan niya, nagdudua siya sa Malamawi. Kasi nandoon yung chest niya. Nakaharap siya doon sa antena ng mga tao. Ande, kapag wala siyang hijab, ang pangit.
Ano na lang ikaw?
Mas pangit. Happy and sad, ginadog siya kong sarili ko.
So, actually, as you can see, they are
Ang
preparing.
tent po namin may TV na sa loob, may antena, may gasol, lahat, may CR. Nabilihan niya ang 89,000 sa first sahod niya sa Saudi. So, may available pa kaming 2 room sa loob. Nang renta niya po every month, 15,000. Mura na po yon, wala na less. So, ipakita namin sa inyo si Andeng kung paano siya mag-ayos ng condominium namin. Yan yung condominium namin. Nandun yung CR sa kabila. Yung dining area namin. Nandun. Yung gasol nasa taas. May swimming pool yan sa loob. Nandun.
Nasaan ang swimming pool, babe?
Nandun, naligo na yung mga palaka. Alam niyo ba guys, bago yung sa kanya sa amin, 1962 pa. Na, mabaho daw. Maaalis lang daw yung baho dahil didikit sa katawan namin. Tingnan mo, the audacity.
Yung sa
Ako
Facebook.
na lang yung magkanta. Tininining, ting, ting, tirining. I think kapagkamalan ako ng tatay ni Andeng ng nanay ni Andeng. Kasi pagpasok ko kanina, sinabihan niya ko, honey, niyakap ko din siya, nagulat ako. Pero akala niya pala nanay ni Andeng, hindi na ang sound. Alam niyo ba? Ang dami talaga mabubunyag ngayong gabi. I-trailer ko na kaya. 3 buwan lang yan si Dar, lumabas na. Kulang yan siya ng mata, hiniraman namin na doon sa manikin, sa nursing laboratory.
Okay na, tapos na yung dagsuhan. Magluluto na tayo.
Huwag kita na
Namamyaning rang siya, bong.
Ay, hindi nyo na
siguro
pala ako
ganun.
makikita sa next vlog ni Adsman kasi nga I'm going to use and kapag gaganda na, i-reveal ko na dito para sa promotion ng aking skincare and you need to buy it to me. Kuhan lang naman siya, simple lang. Broxina.
Yun ang skincare mo.
Anjintum. Ashley. Rexona. Chinchansu. Ano pa ba? Betet. Ay, update ko ng name ko, Barney Brown. Gutom na ako, ha? Ganito lang ako. So guys, nasira ko pala yung Junay, kaya ikaw muna yung mag-makeover test, ha? Wala kang sasabihin, talaga ka lang.
Give me the power. I will try. Kasi nga medyo mahirap yun. Junay yun, recipe yun ni Benny. Tapos, after that, they request me to make goreng. So,
Hi guys! So nandito kami sa taas.
So, ayan, prepared na yung foods namin. So, as you can see, nandito na din yung mga kasama ko. Yung tent, isa pala yung nalalagay. And then, I'm going to place the camera here para mas nice, diba? Okay?
Good morning!
Uy, Kininigada man ang clouds, guys. Ang ganda-ganda. Super. OMG. Ayan ang Stephanie. So, at the present time, ay kumakain na kami ng breakfast namin kasi later on, ay aalis din kami kagad ni Benny because we have something important matters to do. So, thank you so much guys because I'll end this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe me for more.